Dogecoin, Doge, in a real sense is a mineable coin that especially is as of now exchanged at $0.083440 per unit, with the market capitalization of $11,852,283,279, that explicitly makes it a mid-position digital money, which certainly is genuinely critical. Computerized resources like Dogecoin most certainly have proactively turned into the point of convergence of consideration for by and large retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition, for the most part, enormous institutional financial backers who fundamentally see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an exceptionally powerful fence against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy. Hence, having it sort of the most on a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto basically is essentially an absolute requirement for any merchant and financial backer who certainly needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years incredibly generally. Yet, with it sort of comes the need to intently basically follow the improvements on the expressed market to grasp what is going on and sort of have some feeling representing things to come in an unobtrusive manner. This Dogecoin cost expectation model truly was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, track down the best coins or tokens to basically put resources into and really keep the value bend developing, which basically is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to digging into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the truly fundamental principles of digital currency exchanging and speculation in a genuinely huge way. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its especially current standings, as well as the mid-term and by and large long-haul cost expectation that in a real sense depends on the readings of our for the most part restrictive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, exhibiting how yet prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to sort of help you to remember the really fundamental standards of digital money exchanging and speculation in an unobtrusive way. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin by and large stands at $0.083440, and this specific computerized resource stands firm on the ninth footing in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, in spite of mainstream thinking. For by and large your data, the sort of positioning of each and every digital money fundamentally is vigorously dependent on its in every practical sense current market capitalization and cost, and by and large is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to, which essentially is genuinely huge. Likewise, to for the most part get a genuinely better really handle of the market circumstance and by and large grasp the overall course of the pattern, or to sort of enroll its non-attendance, it's additionally critical to especially examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on November 29, the cost of Dogecoin truly remained at $0.081009 at the end of the sort of everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 3.15% contrast when contrasted with the very current cost 7 days prior. On November 23, the Dogecoin market especially remained at $0.075781 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a by and large significant manner. As the outcome, the cost fundamentally moved by 0% comparable to its certainly present standing a month prior. On October 30, Dogecoin most certainly was estimated at $0.069650, which in every practical sense matched with our cost expectation for that in every practical sense specific period. So however, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to generally help you to remember the genuinely fundamental standards of digital currency exchanging and speculation, or so they in a real sense thought. Contrasted with the really present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 20.25% cost move, showing that as the outcome, the value sort of moved by 0%, comparable to its extremely present standing a month prior. On October 30, Dogecoin sort of was evaluated at $0.069650, which generally harmonized with our cost expectation for that exceptionally specific period. So yet prior to digging into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the exceptionally fundamental guidelines of digital currency exchanging and venture, or so they explicitly thought. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves considerably more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its fundamentally generally speaking prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, or so they basically thought. Numerous cryptographic money brokers view market capitalization as a fundamentally key marker to really be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, which generally is genuinely critical. It essentially is determined by duplicating the sort of all-out number of coins that generally are right now available for use, circling supply, by the ongoing cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by generally remains at $0.083440, or so they thought. Considering that equation, we explicitly have determined the truly current market capitalization of Dogecoin to generally be at $11,852,283,279, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among these in every practical sense, present in the cryptographic money market in a significant manner. Yesterday, on November 29, the market capitalization of Dogecoin especially remained at $11,504,930,650. Keep going week. On November 23, the in every practical sense, aggregate sum of extremely capital dedicated to Dogecoin by and large was laid out at $10,756,290,364, the information from a month prior, enlisted on October 30. By and large shows that Dogecoin generally had a market capitalization of $9,864,425,956, as opposed to mainstream thinking. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that in a real sense have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made and truly are either flowing available or secured in engineers' or alternately holders' chilly wallets, in spite of prevalent thinking. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, or so they generally thought. It can for the most part measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that sort of is public on the financial exchange, extremely further appearance how likewise to get a vastly improved handle of the market circumstance and certainly figure out the sort of broad course of the pattern or to generally enroll its non-appearance. It's additionally critical to generally examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in a genuinely huge manner. The absolute inventory of Dogecoin at present stands at 142,045,126,384 Doge. As currently made sense of, the circling supply truly is the most normally involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. It compares with practically the best guess of the general number of coins that essentially are public on digital currency trades and by and large add to their liquidity, or so they thought. Their volume doesn't by and large incorporate the coins that explicitly are vested, marked in especially savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or by and large put unavailable for general use in an especially huge manner. The flowing inventory in a real sense is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange in a truly significant way. At this moment, the flowing stock of Dogecoin fundamentally is assessed at 142,045,126,384 Doge incredibly. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market